Bitcoin ETFs smash $1.19 billion inflows since July as BlackRock leads. But is a correction coming? Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock. Ethereum. BlackRock's IBIT vacuumed roughly $970 million of the $1.19 billion single-day haul, steering U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs toward $100 billion AUM. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 10 hours ago. U.S. spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have recorded their strongest inflows in nearly 3 months, showing a renewed wave of institutional interest as Bitcoin traded near record highs. According to data from Farside Investors, Bitcoin ETFs attracted $1.19 billion in net inflows on Monday, the highest single-day total since July 10th, when inflows reached $1.18 billion. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, dominated the surge, accounting for more than 81% of total inflows with $970 million added in a single day. Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, FBTC, followed with $112.3 million, while Bitwise BITB recorded $60.1 million. BlackRock's IBIT leads record $6 billion crypto ETF inflows. The renewed appetite for Bitcoin exposure coincides with a major milestone for BlackRock's IBIT, which has now overtaken some of the firm's legacy funds to become its highest revenue-generating ETF. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balcones noted that IBIT is now a hair away from $100 billion in assets under management, AUM, just 21 months after launch. The fund currently manages $98.47 billion across 1.38 billion shares with a 0.25% fee, generating roughly $244 million in annual revenue for the world's largest asset manager. Monday's inflows also capped off a record week for Bitcoin-linked investment products. Data from CoinShares showed that digital asset funds globally attracted $5.95 billion last week, the largest weekly inflow on record. Bitcoin accounted for $3.55 billion of that figure, while Ethereum saw $1.48 billion, followed by Solana and XRP with $706.5 million and $219.4 million, respectively. Bitcoin itself has been trading just below all-time highs, hovering around $124,500 on Tuesday after briefly crossing $126,000 earlier in the week. The latest surge came as institutional traders piled in over the weekend, sending Bitcoin past $125,000 for the first time since August. October has historically been one of Bitcoin's stronger months, and the token is already up more than 10% since the start of the month. Data from SoSoValue shows that as of October 6th, total cumulative net inflows into U.S. Bitcoin spot ETFs reached $61.26 billion, with total assets under management now at $169.54 billion, representing about 6.8% of Bitcoin's total market capitalization. Meanwhile, Ethereum spot ETFs have also benefited from the broader crypto rebound. As of October 6th, they recorded $181.7 million in daily inflows and $14.6 billion in cumulative inflows, with total net assets now sitting at $32 billion, about 5.6% of Ethereum's market capitalization. Bitcoin faces short-term correction after record rally, analysts' key support levels. Bitcoin slipped 4.2% on Tuesday to around $122,000 after hitting an all-time high of $126,219 the previous day, pausing a week-long 12.5% surge. While the pullback sparked concerns of a deeper correction, derivatives data and institutional flows suggest the broader uptrend remains intact. Bitcoin monthly futures continue to trade at an 8% annualized premium over spot prices, a level that reflects steady optimism without signs of speculative overheating. Analysts say this moderation helps reduce liquidation risk if prices fall further. The rally that began after Bitcoin's $109,000 retest in late September appears supported by genuine inflows, with bulls defending the $120,000 zone. Exchange data reinforces that narrative. Glassnode reports Bitcoin balances on trading platforms have dropped to a 5-year low of 2.38 million BTC, down from 2.99 million a month earlier, indicating ongoing accumulation. The firm also identifies strong support near $117,000, where around 190,000 BTC last changed hands. Open interest in Bitcoin futures stands at $72 billion, slightly lower on the day but still showing deep market participation. Meanwhile, VanEck analysts project Bitcoin could eventually capture half of gold's market capitalization, potentially reaching $644,000 per coin. Technically, Bitcoin is testing key support near its 200-day exponential moving average around $122,900. Analyst Ted Pillow noted that momentum has weakened after the failure to hold above $125,000. A close below $122,900 could trigger a pullback toward $121,000, while a rebound above $125,500 would restore bullish momentum. Short-term charts show Bitcoin consolidating between a seller zone at $123,000 to $125,000 and a strong buyer zone near $112,000 to $114,000. Multiple rejections around the upper band suggest short-term exhaustion, though the broader structure remains bullish. Market analysts say a correction toward $118,000 would be a healthy retracement within Bitcoin's larger uptrend, a phase that could reset leverage and prepare the market for another leg higher. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. XRP price prediction. Swift partners with Ethereum firm. Is Ripple losing the payments race it started? New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. World's largest exchange moves to 24/7 trading for crypto. Is this the start of full Wall Street adoption? Bitcoin price prediction. BTC hits record high as dollar collapses. Is this the beginning of a monetary reset? Solana price prediction. Upcoming technical upgrades could change everything. $1,000 SOL could be weeks away. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Institutional money pours into SOL. Is this the most undervalued top 10 crypto right now? 1 day ago. By Harvey Hunter. Blockchain news. Real estate giant open door to accept Bitcoin and crypto for home buying. CEO confirms. 1 day ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. V-shaped rebound sends XRP toward breakout. Something big is about to happen. 1 day ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 18 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 13 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 21 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 16 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 hour ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 days ago. By Ben Beto.